Bears are some of the most fascinating and powerful animals found in the wild. With their massive size, impressive strength, and varying behaviors, they have captured the imagination of people for centuries. From the icy regions of the Arctic to the dense forests of North America, bears inhabit a wide range of environments. In this article, we will explore various aspects of these magnificent creatures, including their species, physical characteristics, behaviors, diets, habitats, and conservation efforts. So, let's dive deep into the world of bears. There are 8 species of bears in the world, each with unique characteristics and habitats. These include American black bear, Ursus americanus. Found throughout North America, the American black bear is the most common bear species in the United States. They vary in color from black to brown, and even some that appear white due to a rare genetic trait. Brown bear, Ursus arctos. Known for its size and strength, the brown bear is found across North America, Europe, and Asia. This species includes famous subspecies such as the grizzly bear, Kodiak bear, and Eurasian brown bear. Polar bear, Ursus maritimus. Polar bears are native to the Arctic regions and are well adapted to life in cold climates. They are excellent swimmers and have thick fur to insulate them from freezing temperatures. Andean bear, Tremarctos ornatus. Also known as the spectacled bear, due to the distinctive markings around its eyes, the Andean bear is native to the Andes Mountains in South America. It is the only bear species found in South America. Sloth bear, Melursus ursinus. This species is native to the Indian subcontinent. Known for its unique dietary habits, the sloth bear feeds primarily on insects like termites and ants. Sun bear, Halarctos malayanus. Found in Southeast Asia, the sun bear is the smallest bear species. It is characterized by its short black fur and a golden or white patch on its chest, resembling the rising sun. Sun bear, Halarctos malayanus. Found in Southeast Asia, the sun bear is the smallest bear species. It is characterized by its short black fur and a golden or white patch on its chest, resembling the rising sun. Asian black bear, Ursus thibetanus. Also known as the moon bear due to its distinctive crescent-shaped white chest marking, the Asian black bear is found in forests across Asia, from the Russian Far East to the Himalayas. Bears are large animals with a stocky build and muscular bodies. They have thick fur that helps regulate their body temperature in varying climates. Some species, like the polar bear, have dense undercoats and longer fur, which provides additional insulation against extreme cold. Bears also have large, powerful paws with thick claws that help them with tasks such as digging, climbing, and hunting. Their paws are equipped with pads that allow them to move silently and with great precision. Bears are generally solitary animals, though some species, like the American black bear, may occasionally form loose groups, particularly during feeding times. For example, bears may congregate around salmon streams during spawning season, where food is abundant. Male bears tend to be more solitary than females, especially during the breeding season. Female bears, on the other hand, are more likely to be seen with their cubs. Bear mothers are highly protective of their young and will fiercely defend them from any potential threats. Although they are solitary, bears have an advanced sense of communication. They use scent markings, vocalizations, and body language to communicate with each other. For instance, a bear might scratch trees to mark its territory or produce a deep growl when feeling threatened. Bears are omnivores, meaning they have a varied diet that includes both plant and animal matter. However, The specifics of their diet can vary widely depending on the species and the environment they live in. Polar bears. Polar bears primarily eat meat, with a diet mainly consisting of seals. They are exceptional hunters, using their sharp claws and keen sense of smell to track down prey. Brown bears. Brown bears are also opportunistic feeders, eating a mix of plants, fruits, insects, and small to medium-sized mammals. Some brown bears, like the grizzly, are known to scavenge carrion and even hunt larger animals such as moose or deer. Giant pandas. Giant pandas have a very specialized diet, eating primarily bamboo. While they will occasionally consume other plants or small animals, bamboo makes up nearly 99% of their diet. Their digestive systems are adapted to process this fibrous plant. Sun bears and sloth bears. Both sun bears and sloth bears have a preference for insects, especially termites, ants, and beetles. They use their long claws to dig into nests and hives to extract their food. Bears are found across a variety of ecosystems, from dense forests and mountains to icy tundras and tropical jungles. Polar bears are adapted to live in cold, icy environments and are found in the Arctic regions. They spend most of their time on sea ice, where they hunt for seals. Brown bears can be found in a range of habitats, from the dense forests of the Pacific Northwest to the mountains of Europe and Asia. They prefer forested areas near rivers and lakes, where they can find food and shelter. Giant pandas are found in the mountainous bamboo forests of central China, where they are primarily found at higher elevations. Andean bears live in the mountain forests of South America and are often found at high altitudes, where they can hide in the dense vegetation. Bears typically have a low reproductive rate. Female bears usually give birth to 1 to 4 cubs at a time, with twins being the most common. Cubs are born blind and helpless, depending entirely on their mother for warmth, food, and protection. Mating usually occurs in late spring or early summer, and after a gestation period of about 8 months, female bears give birth in dens. Cubs are raised in dens and remain with their mothers for a period of several months before becoming independent. Many bear species are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. The destruction of forests and other habitats makes it harder for bears to find food and shelter. For example, the polar bear population is under increasing threat due to the melting of Arctic sea ice as a result of global warming. Bears are also at risk from illegal hunting, as some species, like the sun bear and Asiatic black bear, are hunted for their body parts, which are used in traditional medicines or as trophies. Conservation efforts are critical to ensuring the survival of bear populations. Many countries have established protected areas and national parks where bears are safe from human interference. Additionally, organizations are working to reduce human-wildlife conflict, educate the public about bears, and stop illegal hunting. Bears are an essential part of the natural world, playing crucial roles in maintaining ecosystem balance. Whether they are patrolling the Arctic ice floes or foraging in dense forests, these magnificent creatures captivate our imaginations and remind us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Protecting bears and their habitats is essential to maintaining the health of our planet for future generations.